Hello everyone, again welcome. So in this video I am going to discuss with you how to decrease the volume size. So last video we have discussed how to increase volume size, right? So in this video I am going to show you practical how to decrease the volume size, right? So here friends, again I will create one EC2 instance. So this is my machine 1 again. So this is my machine 1. And friends, when you are going to create your instance, so your instance size will be 8 GB, and the reason you will select accordingly. Okay, friends, in the last video we have created the new volume section, and this volume we attach to this EC2 instance, right? So the size was we have increased, okay, 30 GB whatever you are going to attach. So this is my volume, but my question, how you can decrease the volume size, right? So without wasting time, come on the terminal and create one EC2 instance and create a volume and attach to this EC2 instance similarly. So already I have a machine 1. You can see this is machine 1. It is running, and the volume size US West hyphen A. This is my region of this machine. And friends, now come on the again this section. So I'm going to access this my machine, and how you can access this, refresh one more time, select this, copy this your public IP and go to the CMD section and cd and download ssh ec2-user and your public IP -I and your volume 1 key. Sudo su hyphen come to the root. Friends, now easily you can see lsblk. So your volume size is 8 GB, right friends? So now what you will do, go to the volume section and create new volume, and the volume should be 20 GB, right? Just see the example 20 GB. Again what you will do, select the same region 1B, the volume should be in same region, and right click here name, and here I'm going to write the volume name volume hyphen 1. So volume is going to create. So friends, what you will do in this volume, you will have to attach same like that we have done this. So attach the volume in machine your one. So finally we have attached this machine volume to machine 1. Go to the volume terminal and check lsblk 20 GB volume is attached. But friends, my boss told me please decrease the size of this volume size. How you can decrease, so it's very important. So my volume size is 20 GB, but I want to decrease my volume size. So how you can decrease? So for the uh, practical, I am going to first format this volume, right? Similarly we have to format mkfs and .ext43, whatever you want. You can take the file system slash tab and xvdf formatted, and check blk id formatted or not. Again blk id is formatted. Now I'm going to mount this with the help of uuid. So first you will have to make a directory mkdir, and the name of the directory is India. So already exists. So new directory I'm going to create iPhone. This is my directory name. So how you can mount easily, you can go vim/etc. I'm going to mount permanently and go fs tab, okay, and permanently mount here. So go in insert mode. Already we have mounted in the previous. If you want you can remove, no problem. So you can go in insert mode slash dev xvdf. Your directory name is iPhone, and your file system ext4. Similarly, use defaults 0 and 0 and skip this column, the PQI and exit, and use mount hyphen A. So it is done. Df hyphen h. Okay, iPhone. So go to the iPhone section, CD and iPhone, and create some file. Touch A B ACS, whatever you want. You can create 1.40 file created. Now check this. But friends, my boss told me please decrease the size of the volume. No need to create take this volume 20 GB. My boss told me please decrease the size of volume size, and volume size should be 20 GB, 20 GB, sorry 5 GB. So how you can reduce the volume size? So what you will do? So go to the volume section and modify, and let's see we have an option or not. So go to the volume section. This is my volume, and when you are going to attach, select this, go to the action and modify, and I want this volume is 5. So friends, read this carefully. The size of the volume can be only increase, not the decrease. We cannot decrease the volume size, we cannot. So how is it possible? How we can decrease the volume size? Is it possible? Definitely it is possible. We can decrease the volume size. How you can do this? First, remove this, create new volume according to this. I will create a new volume, right? So my new volume will be 5 GB. What you will do? Just see a new volume I will create, and that volume will be 5 GB. And this volume, what I will do, I will attach to this EC2 instance. Same things I will do, and I will format. And how you can take the backup of this volume to this volume? So with the help of sync command, easily you can data copy. You know the rsync, already I discussed on the Linux. Okay, with the help of rsync, you can synchronize your data this volume to this volume. After data synchronize in this to in this, easily you can delete your volume. Okay, so first I am going to create new volume. Go to the volume, create new volume section, and make sure the volume will be same reason 5 GB and US is 1B. Select the name, and here new volume and create. So new volume is created, friends. Now again what you will do? Nothing, just select this volume and attach to the same EC2 instance. This is running. Okay, now attach and go to the console section. Now when you will use lsblk, so easily you can see the two volume are attached here. Okay, so here you can see 5 GB volume is available. What you will do? Nothing, just you will have to mkd mkfs, format this volume mkfs dot ext4 slash dev and xvdg, your volume name, and format. Done. Check blkid. What you will do? Directly I'm going to mount it. Now I will not mount permanently because I am doing lab. When you will do on this organization, definitely you will have to permanently mount. Go to the vimfs tab and you can mount there, right? So here how you can mount: create directory, and name of the directory is name. And how you can mount: use mount slash dev, name of the hard disk I don't know, so just I'm using lsblk. Now I'm going to mount temporary slash dev, and name of the device xvdg. Okay, so where you want? I want mount this, so new directory. So mounted, check df-h. Okay, so we have two volume 20 GB and volume 5 GB. Okay, so I want synchronize this data of volume 20 GB to 5 GB. So how you can synchronize your data? So use rsync command. Already we have discussed in Linux. If you don't know, please learn Linux. Rsync and use hyphen a capital H. So this syntax easily you can find from the Google Friends, right? If you don't find this sync, how to sync a volume to one volume to another volume data, text me on WhatsApp. Definitely I will share you this link, right? So you can use this capital A, capital X and small x, s and p. This syntax you can find from the Google, and from where I want to sync the data from iPhone to this Sunil volume. Okay, so use this, data is copy. Now what you will do, go to the C section and go to the Sunil directory. Data is available here, it's available. Go to the CD and iPhone directory. The data is also available here. Okay, so what you will do, data is available in both the volume. So now what I will do, I will delete this volume and detach. Okay, so you can delete this volume, so your data is available in this 5 GB volume. This is very important things. So how you can do this, go to the again section. First, in standard practice you will have to mount. How you can mount, unmount from your iPhone directory. It's okay. So now check DF5H, your volume is available 5 GB, and go to the console section again, refresh one more time, and this is your volume, and detach from the console section. It is a standard practice, detach from the volume. Okay, so finally we have successfully detached. Now you can see, now you can check your volume is available 5 GB. So this is the way how you can decrease the volume, right? So this is the way. Now my volume size is 5 GB and directory Sunil mounted and data is available in this directory. Okay, so hope you guys you understand how to decrease the volume size. Okay, now you can delete this volume because it is not free. So what you will do, just refresh, or if you want attach in new EC2 instance, definitely you can attach. Now I'm going to delete the volume. Okay, so okay, thank you friends, see you in the next video with new topic. Bye bye, take care.